I made this rod for a 8-year-old boy, so it's a little patriotic American right here. As you can see it, Captain America. Real see it. There's a little playing with the national colors here, and there's his name on it. First line guide. And then the rest of them just in regular red. It's a heavy action rod, casting weight in between 1/4 to 2 ounces, and the line that you can use on it, it's in between 10 to 25 pounds. So I hope he's gonna have good luck with it. I think it looks pretty good. Make me feel like I want to keep it, but I can't. So, Captain America by Turu Rods.